If you need to find emails fast, one of the easiest tricks in Yahoo Mail is searching by date. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to search by date on Yahoo Mail so you can quickly find older messages, recent conversations, or emails from a specific time period without scrolling forever. This is super helpful if your inbox is full and you only want to see messages from the last few days, a certain week, or even a custom date range. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look for the search bar at the top. This is where you can start narrowing down your results. Click inside the search bar to activate it. Now, beside the search bar, you should see a filter option, usually shown as a funnel icon. Click that filter button to open the advanced search options. This is the part that makes searching by date much easier and more accurate. After the filter panel opens, look for the date range section. Here, you can choose a preset option like last 7 days, last 30 days, or another time range depending on what you need. If you want something more specific, you can also use a custom date range, so Yahoo Mail only shows emails from the exact period you want. Once you've selected the right date range, take a quick moment to double check your other search settings if needed, then click Search. Yahoo Mail will now scan your inbox and show you only the emails that match your selected date range. From there, you can open the message you need, reply, forward it, or archive it just like normal. If you don't get the results you expected, go back and adjust the date range or try a different filter combination until the right email appears. This method is a huge time saver, especially when you're trying to locate receipts, important work emails, or messages from a specific event or time frame. So to recap, open Yahoo Mail, click the search bar, select the filter funnel icon, choose your date range, and click Search. That's all it takes. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.